Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen, and today we are going to make a very simple and easy weekend breakfast, that is garlic cheese sandwich. So let's quickly get it started with the recipe. Here I have taken some butter. To that we'll add some oregano and some chili flakes, some garlic which is minced, and some coriander leaves. We'll mix everything together. Now I did not add any salt because I'm using salted butter. You can use a pinch of salt if you like. Now here I have taken a slice of bread. इसमें हम spread कर लेंगे the garlic butter that we have made earlier. We'll place a cheese slice, processed cheese. You can use mozzarella if you like. Now we'll spread some more butter and place it on a grill pan, and we are going to spread some more butter on the other side. We are going to cook this on low heat until brown in color. Once you feel that side is cooked and well browned, we are going to flip it. And it's that easy and simple and very yummy. The kids will love it. So do try this recipe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more.